Dear viewers, are you looking for some fresh and creative ideas to spruce up your space? Look no further than your curtains. Curtains are not just for covering windows, they can also be a stylish design element that can completely transform a room. One idea that will blow your mind is using patterned curtains. Whether it's bold stripes, intricate florals, or geometric shapes, pattern curtains can add a pop of personality to any space. Another creative idea is to mix and match different curtain styles. Try layering sheer curtains with hair drapes for dynamic look that also allows you to control the amount of natural light in the room. If you are feeling daring, why not go for a statement curtain? Opt for a bold color or a luxurious fabric to create a focal point in the room. Remember, curtains don't have to blend in, they can stand out and make a statement.